Hello everyone, my name is Ubalde Official. Today I'm going to show you how to create a long video like 20 minutes, 30 minutes or 1 hour by using free AI tool and by using your phone or your computer with only browser and internet connection. Many people they get problem to know where I can generate a video or long video for YouTube by using the free AI tool. So today I'm going to show you how to create videos like this and in a long form content. Yes, let's start. Open your Google Chrome or Safari or Microsoft Edge and type in type HeyGen AI. Yes, HeyGen AI. Then press enter. After click on it. Yeah, you come in here and press here, then you wait, you come here. This is the HeyGen AI. Then we come here and click on or get start. Click on get start. After click on get start, you will see the home. Home, yes, this is home. Okay, and they will ask you and read the video by saying generate a video from prompt, make a video, avatar videos, create your avatar, translate any video, start with template, and here what we need. Yes, we need to click here, this no, here, come here, sign in, and then click on sign in with Google. After click on sign in with Google, this is our email and choose it. And after choose this email, we wait and click on continue to allow. Yes. And then wait until Google verify. And then you wait to be loaded. Yes. Now we have now full logged in, and then should come here on the video agent. Yes, should come on the video agent and click on create a new videos. Yes, and this is where you should we are going to put the prompt. Yes, first you choose the how my video will be. The ratio you to be this ratio, you choose the landscape in order your video for YouTube can be compatible for long form content. If it is a short videos, you should pass click on here, but when you are not sure, you click on automatic, and then because you're going to create long form content, you click on here, and I'm sorry. Yes, here we're going to create scene by scene, and now this is a time we should choose 1 minute. Yes, we choose 1 minute for every video, but video with consistent. Yes, so now we are going to do what to create a long form content. Let us use ChatGPT to give us a video idea. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Property. This is ChatGPT. Let me ask ChatGPT to give me prompt. Yes. hey ChatGPT, Ubalde official, I want to give me the prompt of consistent to generate like 5 minutes long form content for you to be in a landscape that have people that explaining something related to education or tech tutorials, and my AI have my AI generate 1 minute video per video, so give me consistent prompt. Then our chat GPT is going to give us an prompt. Yes, I cannot type on here because I use my voice. Yes, ChatGPT. I use the dictate in ChatGPT. I think this is also another knowledge. Then you click on copy. Then you come and paste here, and come and yes, this is. Then you click on generate. After click on generate, you wait. Here we are going to wait. Yes, here it is. They are reviewing the video plan before moderating. Yes, this is it is a long. This is a landscape that load the long form content on the YouTube. Yes, we wait until the video done. So you see here our tool is continue to develop. Yes, you see this is a video plan, and this is a view plan reader. It is here, it is generating, it is do what and what and what. Yes, I'm generating all the custom visual, terminal of ways, code animations, and perfect technical soundtrack to bring your story life. To generating video, it was started for the sounds. Yes, this is a video. This is all scenes will be used, and this is the storyboard font. This is storyboard music. This is the editing, motion graphics, generated video, and this is the about caption. Yes, and we continue to be white. It take like time to generate this video, but will be generated. Yes. Now, wow! Now video started to be generated. Yes, here, and it is on the 5%. When our video have been our video ended, it is 100%. I will take those clips, those videos, and merge it by using CapCut. Yes, this is a CapCut or your editor. 97%. Yes, wait until the video ends. Wow! Now the video have been generated. Yes, this is a video have been generated. This is the scene 1. This is the scene 2. This is scene 3. This is scene 4. This is scene 5. This is scene 6 until the scene 10. Yes. And here we should do put in this is a video. We should do download it. Yes, let's download it to play it in the best way. Yes. It's depending on your internet connection. Let's download it and click on download. Okay, see now the video have been generated. This is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 until continued, and here let's play it. Yes, to check. This is
Consistent.
see, this is consistent. This is yes,
Consistency.
and on this hygiene, it can be the watermark because it is a free, and it should become
Ultimate technology.
match those videos in your CapCut. Yes, thank you. This video, if it helped you, please subscribe and stay connected with the official tech education and jobs.
Not motivation, not talent, not...
Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you.